Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with a floating video call issue in Messenger for 2025, you're not alone. This glitch can make your video window pop up unexpectedly or fail to stay in place, disrupting your chats. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple fix step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your Messenger calls running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. In 2025, Meta frequently rolls out updates to fix bugs like this one. Open your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for any pending updates for Messenger. Install them if available, then restart the app. This often resolves floating issues caused by outdated software. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal can cause video calls to act up. Switch to a stronger network or use mobile data if you're on Wi-Fi. Once connected, try making a test call to see if the problem persists. Now, let's tweak some settings. Go into your Messenger app, tap on your profile icon, and head to Settings and Privacy. Look for Apps and Websites or Permissions, and ensure that Messenger has access to your camera and microphone. Sometimes, permissions get reset, leading to floating glitches. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, offload the app and reinstall it. This clears temporary files that might be causing the issue. Another quick fix: restart your device. It's a simple trick, but it works wonders for resolving temporary software hiccups. Power off your phone or computer, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Finally, if the problem continues, contact Messenger support through their help center. They might have specific 2025 updates or troubleshooting guides tailored to your device. There you have it. Easy steps to fix that floating video call in Messenger. Give these a try, and you'll be chatting seamlessly in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.